Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can pair your fresh and rebel Rockbox Bold XS speaker with your Android smartphone or Android tablet. So first of all, you have to remember to charge your device at least for 30 minutes. Alright, here you can find input for the micro USB cable. Next, to power on your speaker, you have to use this power button, so click and hold it until this indicator starts blinking. Alright, now we can release. And on your Android device, you have to simply go to the settings and you have to find the Bluetooth settings. Right now, just turn it on. And now we can find list of all available devices. So in my case, the speaker appears for the first at the list, but you can also click right here and take a look if it is not on the second or third place, for example. If you find your speaker, just click on it once, then you have to accept the pairing request. And as you can see, right now we are just successfully connected. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it.